Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates commerce class of accountancy. Okay, so we are doing issue and redemption of debenture. In the last class, I have discussed the journal entries and the meaning of debenture, and I have compared the debenture with share also. So today, I will try to solve one question from page number 76, that is NCERT book, illustration 1. Okay, take out everyone page number 76 from NCERT book, page 76. Okay, 1. Question 1. So see, ABC Limited issue rupees 10,000 12% debenture of 100 each. That means ABC Limited is a company, okay, issue 10,000 12% of 100 each. That means what is the meaning of 12%? 12% is that the company will give per annum 12% interest, okay, who are giving the debenture. Company need amount, company will have to give interest. But share is not like that. Share is here how much earned by the company, that will be divided among the shareholder, that is called dividend. Here it is called interest, okay. So the 12% is interest, will not calculate here, okay, in this sum. So of rupees 100 each, payable rupees 30 on application, okay, on the remaining on allotment. So that is two entry, two installment. How we know two? Because out of 100 each, the share debenture is 100 each, okay. Out of 100 each, it is application. While taking the application or giving the application, this will be 30. How much? 30 is given. So remaining is how much? 100 minus 30 is 70. That is at the time of allotment. At the time of allotment, that will be 70. 30 plus 70 is 100. Okay? So the thing is that this is a question of under subscription. So how will know that this is a question of under subscription? See, ABC Limited issued 10,000 12% debenture of 100 each, payable 30 on application and the remaining amount on allotment. The public applied for 9,000 debenture, which were fully allotted. Okay, issued how much? Issued is, see, the company issued is 10,000. Company issued 10,000, but public are interest, public applied for 9,000 debenture. So the public applied is less, and issue price is 10,000. That is less of the issue price. When the question arises that is less, so this is a question of under subscription question. Okay, so we will take as 9,000, not 10,000, because public apply for 9,000, so we are considering 9,000 debenture comes in company's account in two installment. Okay, so give journal entries of ABC Limited and exhibit the relevant informations in the balance sheet. So you are asked to do the balance sheet, some part of balance sheet also. So don't forget to write books of accounts. Okay, in every questions, whether in a partnership or company, you have to write like this, because we are maintaining the books of whose? We are maintaining the books of A, B and C Limited. Okay, A, B and C Limited, that is the books of accounts of ABC Limited. At here journal entries, we are doing journal entries. Journal entries, okay? What is journal entries? Make the format of journal entries now. This is the format of journal entries. Make it. At a date, particulars, okay, LF under LF debit in rupees, credit in rupees. That is journal entries. Okay. So the first entry, that is a receipt entry of the application account. So how will give the receipt entry? Write your bank account debit to 12% debenture application account. So write the amount bank account debit, that is amount comes in company's account while giving the application. Bank account debit to 12% is the interest amount. Okay, 12% debenture application account. 12% debenture application account. We put the amount here. See, we know that 90,000 is issue. So 9,000 into 30. So if you multiply 9,000 into 30, it will be 2,70,000. Dash 2,70,000. Okay, I think the debenture application money is received. Okay, is received on 9,000 debenture. This is narration. Okay, 9,000 debenture at the rate of 30 each. So we know that in one installment we have to give 220. So application is received. Now company should allocate the debenture for the application money. So the entry will be, that is the transfer entry. Okay. So the amount will be transferred to debenture loan account. The company's balance sheet, the debenture will be in the long term loan. Okay. So what will the entry? 12% debenture application account debit. Amount same amount will transfer 2,70,000 to 12% debenture account. That is transfer for balance sheet in the loan account. Debenture is a loan. It is not company's amount. Okay, company is taking a loan of 2,70,000 for the application money. Narration is same, being the debenture application money transferred to debenture account. Okay, so narration, I will not mention the narration here. Do by yourself the narration part. Okay, that is the narration. Now for the allotment entry, that is the second installment. So company should first due the amount. Company give a message that your allotment debenture amount is due. Please pay the amount. So the due entry will be first come. So what is the due entry? 12% debenture allotment account debit to 12% debenture account. So the amount will be 6,30,000 dash 6,30,000. That is 9,000 into 70, the remaining 70. Okay. Narration will be same, that is a due entry. We have did in share capital like this only. We'll did. Okay. Now, bank account debit, same process. Bank account debit to debenture, to 12% debenture, 12% debenture allotment account. Okay, bank account debit to 12% debenture allotment account. Amount will be 6,30,000 dash 6,30,000. Being the debenture allotment money received. Same way, being the debenture allotment money is received. The same manner we'll do. Okay. So this is the first question of debenture. So in the balance sheet, what we'll do? So make the balance sheet format also for this question. Okay. For this question, you are asked to do the balance sheet also. If in the exam balance sheet asked, so how to do? Normally they are not asking the balance sheet. Then also you learn. So how will do the balance sheet? See, ABC Limited, we write like this: ABC Limited. Okay, this ABC Limited. Make the balance sheet format here. Particulars. As at particulars, note number, amount in rupees. Okay. So number one is come as liabilities, that is equity and liability. Equity and liability. Okay. So here will come non-current liabilities, that is the long-term liabilities. Here will become long-term borrowing. Long-term borrowing. Okay, under non-current liabilities, long-term borrowing will come. Number two, I will write assets here. 1, 2, assets. Okay, so assets come current assets because debenture means you are taking current assets will increase, cash will increase. We write here cash and cash equivalent. I said that cash will increase, there will be cash and cash equivalent. Okay, cash and cash equivalent. So now, so for that we have to make one note to account. Note to accounts. So right here particulars. Right here particulars. Okay. And number one note is long-term borrowing. Long-term borrowing. Okay. And number two is cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent. Okay. So here how much issue debenture? 9,000, 12% debenture at the rate of rupees 100 each. So if you multiply it, that will become 9 lakh. Okay, that 9 lakh will become here. 4 to 1, 9 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that will come from note to accounts. So cash and cash equivalent. How much came cash at bank? Same will become, because we are issuing same 9,000 amount will come in the bank account. So that is 9,000 into 100, same 9 lakh. So cash and cash equivalent also 9 lakh. Okay. So this is the balance sheet of same question. We have the journal entries and we have the balance sheet. So in the next class I will try to solve more question. Okay. Thank you very much and stay home, stay safe.